All right, hello again. This is PH Digital and another unboxing Euphoria experience. This is a product from France, and this is a Withings, or Withings, however you want to pronounce it. And yes, it's another smartwatch. So, let's open this and see what's inside. And it's a box of some sort. Oh, you know what? There's a perforated edge there. Oh well. Okay. So this was on sale for Valentine's Day, and I did a review of one of these a few years ago. I did the Still HR, and this is the new one, the Still HR Sport. HR stands for heart rate. And kind of cool, this one came with an extra watch band. Let's open that first. Nice small package. Designed in Paris with love. Oh, that's nice. So we'll just open that, and I believe this is a leather band. Ooh, tissue paper. Nice things always come wrapped in tissue. Oh, I'm liking that wrench. Has a little Withings brand name on there. Ooh, Italian calf leather. Well, many thanks to the Italian cow that gave his skin for this watch. So compared to the Garmin one, it is narrower, but that's okay. All right, let's unbox this. Nice little tape there. Click. Slice that off. I haven't cut myself yet doing any of these unboxings. Let's continue that. Okay, connected GPS, that's standard. Continuous heart rate, somewhat standard. VO2 max, nice. Garmin does that. Water resistant. It's an always-on display, so that's very nice. Rechargeable, 25-day battery. I'll be testing that. Water resistant, I'll try that. Do a little swim workout, and so on. Also comes with French and German language on there. And there it is. Okay, that is smaller than I remember. Nice little Withings Still HR quick installation guide. Nice, nice. We'll read that later. Nice design though. Little thumb tab here. Nice packaging. I like it. So, if I remember correctly, they have these really nice, yes, very malleable watch bands. Almost, I mean, not almost, but very flexible. And how does one, there we go. I have to pop that out first. Ah, my thumb got stuck. So I believe this is a 40 millimeter watch, where this one's a 45, and this one's a 45 or a 44. So it is a smaller watch. I swear it was 45. I'll double check that and put text on the screen. So the cool thing about this is it's always on, and it has dials. So it's an analog watch and it's a smartwatch all in one. So there's the little bezel for the heart rate sensor. Nice flexible band, quick release watch band. And the charger, it's not Qi, it's a proprietary charger. Ah, there we go. So it did come charged. It's asked me to go to withings.com and download the app. And yeah, so this just slides out here. And there's a little, there we go. So it goes in one way and just kind of clicks in there. Not magnetic, interesting. But it sets in there quite well. I would think, had I been a designer, I would have made this magnetic. And then just standard USB-A port for the charging. So I'll charge this, and then I'll give you some feedback on what I think of this Withings multi-sport hybrid watch, the Still HR Sport. See you soon.